what I've colored for the party. My first coloring is actually a place setting. And it says, "He who comes to me will never go hungry." My second coloring is the deep, deep love of Jesus. And as you can see, this one is very colorful. I've used all different shades of the blue and greens. And this coloring book, on the other side of the page, you will find a whole page concerning the coloring on the next page. It's really a nice coloring book. This one here, I purchased at Ollie's for $2.99. It's called Restore My Soul. Rest, breathe, connect, and create. And as you can see, it originally was $15.99, and Ollie's had it for $2.99. So you may want to look for this one. It's called Restore My Soul. It's a great coloring book. As I stated, it has reading on each side and then a picture for you to color on the opposite side. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Coloring Monday. And if you're not a part of the design family, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and don't you forget to ring that bell. I'd like to thank my old and new subscribers for coming along today. And I also want to thank Grandma Sandy for creating Coloring Party with Friends on Party Monday. I will be leaving her information in my description box, so make sure you all go over and check out her colorings and the rest of the friends for this Coloring on Monday. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.